your chance to get a close look at one of our hot new Envision floor plans from Gulfstream Coach, the Envision 290 RL. Outside, you'll find big advantages, including rock-steady and stable solid steps at the entry door. Overhead, we've provided dual awnings with LED atmosphere lights. The pass-through gear compartment is fully finished and lit with a bright LED light. Exterior baggage doors use convenient hands-free slam latches. Up front, you get the aerodynamics, great looks, and easy care of a molded fiberglass cap with built-in LED marking lights. We provide you with 2 easy exchange 30-pound LP tanks with a protective cover and give you this handy convenience center for power and water hookups. Let's take a look inside. When you first step inside, you'll notice the wide-open living area. It's more spacious than virtually any other trailer in its class. 2 opposing slide-outs add more width and extra space throughout the living area. Here on the curbside, you'll love the booth dinette or optional freestanding table with 4 chairs. Either one is great for family meals, dinner guests, playing games, working on your computer, or just relaxing to enjoy the view. Speaking of relaxing, meet your new favorite chairs. These optional his and hers theater-style recliners let you lie back and relax. Notice the cup holders too. And here's something you won't want to live without: heated seats, a gentle massage, and nighttime atmosphere lighting. There's plenty of room for family or guests with this comfy sofa that includes 2 storage tables with solid surface tops, 110-volt outlets, and USB power ports. Every seat in the living area has a great view of the entertainment center with its 40-inch HD flat-screen TV and a multifunction AM/FM Bluetooth home theater soundbar. The kitchen in the Envision 290 RL includes this large island loaded with storage space, a solid surface countertop, oversized stainless steel undermount sink, and stainless high-arc faucet with pull-out sprayer. Next door is the stainless steel appliance group with range, gas oven, tempered glass cover, exhaust hood with light, and microwave oven. On one side of the oven is a 7 cubic foot double-door gas-electric stainless steel refrigerator freezer. On the other, a floor-to-ceiling pantry with deep shelves and an automatic light. Also handy is this counter with 110-volt and USB power outlets, perfect for small appliances like your toaster or coffee maker. And your pets will love this floor-level drawer with bowls for food and water. Before we leave the main living area, notice all the storage cabinets and the bright, long-lasting, low-power LED lights throughout. Decor elements include our high-performance Easy Care vinyl flooring, tough but comfy carpeting, soft pleated privacy shades for all windows, handcrafted walnut-stained cabinetry, and nickel-silver cabinet hardware. As we head toward the bath, you'll see the master control panel for power systems. Notice, too, our entry door includes a screen door, deadbolt lock, and large window with privacy glass for extra natural light. In the bath, we provide a big counter and power outlets next to the wash basin. There's storage below and a mirrored medicine cabinet above. Between the wash basin and shower is floor-to-ceiling shelving for towels and linens. The shower includes a molded fiberglass surround, a retractable shower door, a skylight, and a handheld shower wand. Overhead, you'll see a power vent fan and an air conditioning duct. There's also a dedicated heat duct at floor level. In the bedroom, you'll find a walk-around queen-size bed with a custom quilted comforter. There are mirrored hanging closets on both sides with built-in nightstands, a chute for clothes, and power outlets for chargers and clocks. In addition to a ceiling-mounted bedroom light, there are individually switched reading lights. There's more storage too, with cabinets overhead, a large gear locker under the bed, and this beautiful wardrobe with hanging space and drawers. Hopefully you've seen enough to convince you that the Envision 290 RL is worth a close, personal look. Contact a Gulfstream Coach Envision dealer and plan a visit. And stop by our website at gulfstreamcoach.com for pictures, videos, specifications, and feature lists for all Envision models.